Have you ever had a student reach out saying they didn't get their course access email from Systeme.io? Don't worry, it's super simple to resend it, even on the free plan. Let me show you how. Hey there, I'm Techie Isabel, Isabel's AI avatar, founder of your Techie Isabel and your micro budget business mentor. A lot of people say you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to start a home-based online business, but that's just not true. I built my own home business for under $100 a year using free and affordable tools that most people haven't even heard of. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the exact steps to set up your systems so you can sell your own digital products or services on a micro budget, even if you're starting from zero. First, go to your dashboard and hover over the Assets tab in the top menu. From the drop-down, click Courses. Now, look at the top left and click on the Students tab. This is where you'll see everyone who's enrolled in any of your courses. Find the student you want to help, then click on their email address. That will take you to their profile with all their course enrollments. Now, look at the course name under Enrollments. On the right side, you'll see three little dots lined up. Click on those. From the drop-down menu, select Resend the Access email. Systeme.io will immediately send the course access email again to that student. You'll see a little confirmation message pop up that says, "The letter has been sent," and that's it. All done. No stress, no tech overwhelm. If you want a behind-the-scenes peek at how I personally run my business without paying for fancy tools, grab my free guide called How I Run My Business Using Free and Affordable Tools. I share the exact platforms I use every day to run my business on a micro budget. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to fast track your setup, my full step-by-step course Start Your Home Biz on a Micro Budget is also linked below. Let's get started without breaking your budget. See you in the next one.